I'm bringing you guys the ad preview for January 3rd to January 9th. For when I was looking at the first couple pages, I'm like, there's not a lot of great deals, but then as I was going through, there is some good deals. A lot of repeaters, but there is some good deals on personal care items, which is nice. So here you guys can see they have buy one get one free 50%, or buy one get one 50% off on vitamins. We are getting $4 off coupons, which you guys can use. I think both in transactions, so there could be some deals on vitamins. We got Tresemme right here for $3.99. We are getting 4 off of 2 coupons, plus there's a digital coupon. You guys want to use 2 of those coupons. You would pay $7.96 for 4 of them. But then you get a $4 off cash rewards. Comes out to be just $3.96 or 99 cents a piece, which is an okay deal for Tresemme. I cannot remember if we are getting Dove coupons. I don't remember that at all, so I didn't figure out the math on that. But we got Downy and Tide for $2.99 with a $1 off coupon. Digital makes it $1.99. They have that a lot. They do have some Purex for $1.99. Now, you could go to the Purex website. There was some printables available at one point. You guys might even have coupons for it. I did not check if there is coupons out there for it, but if you guys need it. We do have Captain Cruncher Post. Now, there currently is 75% off coupons that you guys can print on coupons.com. So you guys can do that. You get them for like $1.24, I think is what it is. So if you need that, they got some makeup. L'Oreal is buy one, get one 50% off. And then it says it looks like up to $4 off and up to $7.50 off. So I don't know if there is a Walgreens booklet coupon for that plus a regular coupon. So it's hard to say. And then we got Maybelline up to $4 off coupon. So we will definitely want to check that out. Now we're going to keep on going. Lots of medicines, vitamins are buy one, get one free. They have those deals all the time. They do have it. If you spend $30 on Nature Bounties, you get a $10 rewards. Plus we are getting coupons for it. And there might be sometimes Ibotta rebates for it. So we'll definitely have to check that out. But Centrum vitamins are buy one, get one 50% off. Plus we are getting $4 off coupons for those, you guys. So here we got some medicines. They got some stuff where if you buy 2, you get $3 off register rewards. So if you guys need, they've been having this deal going for like the last 2 months. So if you guys need any of that stuff, definitely go ahead and do it. Here we got Halls 2 for $1. I do know I have a $1.50 off a 2 coupon, but it says there is a Walgreens.com coupon. So I'm not sure what is going to be better. Tylenol and Motrin are 2 for $14. There are going to be $2 off coupons. I know for the Tylenol and I think for the Motrin also. So it would come out to be just 2 for $10. Not the greatest deal, but you never know. We could probably have some surprises on us with some apps. More medicines, nothing really popping out. Motrin right here is buy one, get one 40% off. Then you get a $3 register reward when you buy 2. Here is a good deal if you guys stock up on this stuff. It's Poise or the Depend silhouette. They're $5.99. We are getting $3 off coupons in the inserts, and then there is a $2 off Walgreens coupon. You guys will get those for 99 cents. Plus, you can submit your receipt to fetch rewards. You guys will get points for that. So if that's a good deal, here's Boost. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then we're getting a 5 off a 2 coupon. If you guys need those, these are $7.99 with a $2 off coupon if you guys need some of that stuff. Okay. Now here we're at like the feminine products. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then there's a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Kotex, it says 3 off a 2. Pure Protein, 4 off of 3 is what the final price is. So here we got some makeup. I can't catch all the brands. I know that's e.l.f. and CoverGirl. But those are spend $15. You get $5 off. Now that is before coupons, so if you guys need to do that deal, definitely go ahead and do that deal. Whole blends, we got 2 for $7. It looks like we are getting a 4 off of 2 coupons. You guys will get these for $1.50 a piece. Garnier is 2 for $7. We are getting a 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then it says $1 off Walgreens coupon, which means it's a booklet. So technically, it'll take a $2 off. So those will become out $1 a piece. That's a great deal. L'Oreal Elvive, 2 for $3, $1.50 a piece. The Pantene is not the greatest deal. They're 3 for $15. We have a 3 off of 3 coupon, making them $12. And then you get a $4 register reward when you buy 3. So you guys would pay $8, get that $4 register reward. 3 of them come out to be $2.66 a piece. Not a good deal. Here they have the Garnier skincare with a $2 off online coupon. There are some rebates for that, so we might be able to get some good deals for that. Dial body wash is going to be 2 for $5 after the $2 off digital coupon, making them $2.50 a piece. I think I remember from the coupon preview, these are 2 for $10, the deodorants, the spray deodorants, but we usually get a 4 off of 2 coupon. So you guys would end up paying $6, and then you get a $2 register reward when you buy 2. So it comes out to be $4 or $2 a piece. We got Gillette for $9.99, and then we have the $3 off coupon. So you guys would pay $6.99, and then you get a $4 register reward. Basically comes out to be just $2.99. The Colgate is $3.99. We have $1 off coupons. You guys would pay $5.98. But then you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Comes up to be just 98 cents or 49 cents a piece. The Crest toothpaste, or it says Oral-B, is $3. And then it says there are digital coupons, but we do have some insert coupons from the P&G. You guys could use two $2 off ones and a $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $4. You get that $4 off register reward. It comes to be for free. So you guys can mix and match as long as you get 2 toothpaste and then either a mouthwash or a toothbrush. And then there might be a moneymaker because I did see that there was a $1 rebate with Ibotta, so with Oral-B. So here we got Snuggle. I don't even know if I'm going to even do this deal because I have so much and the coupon never works. But they're 89 cents. You buy 4, you guys will get 2 free. There might be an Ibotta deal. I didn't check for that one. They do have some pens for 99 cents, markers for 99 cents if you guys need to stock up on markers or pens or highlighters. Now we're going to the little gadget area, the batteries. Now here's the cleaning products, you guys. This is back again. The baggies, buy 1, get 2 free. I don't know why they took a break, maybe because everybody buys them around the holidays for gift or for cookies and stuff, so they thought they'd maybe make some more money. I don't know, but it's back to buy 1, get 2 free. We got Arm & Hammer 2 for $5. We have a $1 off of 2 coupons, so that'd be $2 a piece. Then we have some Valentine's Day candy coming out. And Christmas should be marked down pretty soon. I don't know the exact date on it. I have to look and see when that gets marked down. Then we got some more snacks. Cheez-Its, $1.99. Oreos, 2 for $5. Ketchup, buy 1, get 1 free. They got Walgreens pizza for $3.99. Soda, 3 for $3. This Muscle Milk is 2 for $6. And there's currently a freebie in the Ibotta app for Muscle Milk. If you guys need to get that stuff, go for it. And that is pretty much it. The rest is all alcohol. So that is what is coming out this Sunday at Walgreens. So there's some pretty good deals. Not like huge money makers. I've been really disappointed in the ads lately because there hasn't been hardly any good deals on gaining points or anything. So, but that's okay. Just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thanks for watching. See